Hello boys, hello girl from 5th grade. This is your teacher Mr. Lucero and we're going to continue with our classes. In this time we have Unit 7 and we'll start on page 108 and 109. And the title for this unit is Virtual World. Well, first of all, there is a picture. No, the title says Virtual World. Now tell me, what can you see in this picture? So remember, in this part you're guessing is not the right answer, is what you think you can see in this picture. Okay? For example, there are in the mountains. They looks like the mountains. Could be the beach. No, I don't know. They're sitting down. There are two people. No, there is a boy, a younger boy, and an older boy. No, and they look like if they were touching something. They using a virtual, I don't know what's this, glasses? Yes? So they think in a virtual world, like the title. Perfect. Now let's see. On this page, we're going to see our vocabulary, and I have picture number 1 and I have picture number 2. Only 2 pictures, okay? Perfect. Can you describe picture number 1? A design. Okay. There is a person designing, I don't know, a character. Yeah. And what about picture number 2? There are 4 people, 2 boys and 2 girls, and one of them is talking, no, what they can do. Okay, it's an example. Now let's see. The activity for today is vocabulary number 1, developing products. Okay, so this vocabulary is just not a word, it's a phrase. Be careful, okay? Now listen. Number 1, look at the words in the box. Which activities can you see in picture number 1 and 2? Okay, here you say designing and one person talking, no? Okay. Listen and repeat. Please, in your house, you're going to repeat. Here.
Unit 7, Virtual World, Track 61, Activity 2.
Design a prototype. Test out the product. Give a demonstration. Develop the product. Improve the design. Develop a concept. Research an idea. Manufacture a product. Solve any problems. Analyze the results. Do market research. Invent characters.
Okay. This has been our first activity, developing products, our vocabulary. Let's see what do they mean in our language so you can be familiar with the word. For example, design a prototype. Design means diseñar. A prototype es un prototipo. Test out a product. No, test out the product. It depends the pronunciation, okay? Test out is like probar something new, okay? In this case, test out a product, probar un producto nuevo. Give a demonstration, okay, to present to the public, no? Okay, this is going to be my product. Look, develop a product, no? Develop means desarrollar. Improve the design, improve, mejorarlo, develop the concept, no desarrollar un concepto, research an idea, or research, buscar, investigar maybe, manufacture a product, create a product, no, for people, solve any problems, resolver problemas, analyze the results, okay, analyze, analizar, do market research, okay, this product is good or is bad. If that is good, we continue, no, do the market research, invent characters, create characters. It's like Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, I don't know. Okay, invent characters. Okay, you have the pronunciation, you have the meaning. Now let's see. Which activities can you see in picture number 1 and picture number 2? In picture number 1 could be invent characters. Yeah, it's a possibility. And in picture number 2, test out the product. Yeah, it's a possibility. If you have any other possibilities, could be. Could be give a demonstration for number 2. Yeah, it's a possibility. Design a prototype in number 1. Yes, because he's designing. Okay. Improve the design. I don't think so. Maybe in number 1, it's a possibility. Develop a concept, research an idea, manufacture the product, solve any problem, analyze the results. Okay, I mean those ones could be possibility. Okay? Now let's see. If there is not a problems, we continue with activity number 3. Complete the text with the words in activity 1. So, boys, girls, this vocabulary is going to be the key to answer all the activities here, okay, in 110. And maybe you can find one of those words or phrases in the next page. Now let's see. Complete the text with the words in activity 1. Okay, let's see. Designing a new computer game has many steps. First, you need to develop the concept. Okay, this is the example, okay? What is the game about? Who is in it? Who is it for? When this is clear, then you have to. What about letter B? You have to research your idea and invent the characters. Next, you work on the computer and design a prototype game. After this, you can test out the game and make sure it works. If there are any problems, then you can solve them. After that, you can use, give me a second. After that, you can use the prototype to do some market research. You can also give a demonstration and see if people like the product. Then you analyze the results of the research and demonstration and improve the design. You develop the product until it is ready to be sold. And then you can manufacture it and sell the final game. Okay, class, I've tried to give you the information, remember, I'm going to do in this way, so you need to work on the book or your Google Doc. If I write on the book, there is no activity for you. Okay, if you have problems with this activity, you can listen again. Listen again, you can repeat this part and you can complete the activity. This could be useful, okay? This could be useful for you. Now, let's continue. Listen to David James and Rachel. What's Rachel doing? No? It's about the activity. No, I read the activity. Now, number 5. Listen again, then write true or false false, okay, for those sentences. What are those sentences? David thinks that testing out a computer game isn't an important part of designing a game. True or false? According to the listening, no? According to what you listen to. Letter B, Rachel says the most important part of developing a new product, is developing the concept. I don't know. Letter C, James thinks improving the design is less important than solving any problems. Letter D, David asks Rachel to give a demonstration. Okay, now let's see. Rachel, what's Rachel doing? No, you're going to tell me here when you listen to the audio. No, after that, you're going to answer true or false. Okay, I'm going to give you a hand. I'm going to give you a hand with number 4. What's Rachel doing? Testing out a computer game. Yeah, this is the answer. Testing out. Taste out, remember? Tasting out a computer game. Here says a product. Could be a computer game. Tasting out a new book. No, maybe he's checking how good is the book, the leather, the pictures, etc. No, tasting out a new song. Maybe it's a composer. It depends. Okay, boys, this is my first video, page 110. This is about vocabulary, and I think this is going to be useful for you. See you in the second video. Bye.